If you think FDs can only give you 5 to 6% interest, you can't be more wrong. Watch this video to find out which banks offer the best FD interest rate as of July 2025. The answer may definitely surprise you. We'll also share the best interest rate in the most popular banks and the best rate across tenures and how much extra can you make by selecting the best interest rate for your fixed deposits. A quick background before we begin. RBI has already cut repo rates 3 times this year. On June 6th, the repo rate was cut by an unprecedented 50 basis point or 0.5%, the largest rate cut in 6 years. These cuts in repo rates directly lead to fixed deposit rates falling. Most banks have already cut their interest rate by 0.5 to 1% in the last 6 months. But don't worry, there are still banks offering you very high interest rate for your FDs. The best FD interest for July 2025 are offered by Jana Small Finance Bank, which gives you 8.2% for a 5-year FD, Slice Small Finance Bank that gives 8.25% for a 2-year FD, and Suryodaya Small Finance Bank that gives 8.4% for a 5-year FD. These rates are for regular citizens. Senior citizens who are age 60 and above are eligible for higher interest rates up to 0.5% by most banks. Here are the banks offering the best interest rate for senior citizens. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank gives 8.25% for a 1.5-year FD. Suryodaya Small Finance Bank gives 8.4% for a 5-year FD. And Utkarsh Small Finance Bank gives 8.5% interest for a 2-year FD. Remember, you can always take advantage of these higher rates for senior citizens by booking FDs for your parents or grandparents. Fixed deposit in these banks are insured up to Rs 5 lakh per bank, including the principal and interest amount, by DICGC, a fully owned subsidiary of the RBI. Let's now look at the top interest rate offered by some of the most popular banks in India. SBI offers a maximum rate of 6.45% for tenures between 2 and 3 years. SBI also offers a special rate of 6.6% under the Amrit Vrishti scheme for a tenure of exactly 444 days. HDFC Bank offers a maximum rate of 6.6% for a tenure of 18 months to 21 months, which is about 1.5 years. Axis Bank also offers a maximum rate of 6.6% for tenures between 15 months to 2 years. ICICI Bank also offers a maximum interest rate of 6.6%, but for tenures between 2 years and 5 years. For senior citizens, these banks may offer up to 0.5% extra. As we see, for popular banks in India, the highest interest rate is 6.6%, while there are some banks that offer as much as 8.4% interest rate. These 1 or 2% differences in interest rate might seem small, but let's look at how they can impact your returns. Let's take an example. Suppose you are booking an FD for Rs 1 lakh for a 2-year period. Slice Small Finance Bank offers you 8.25%, while SBI offers only 6.45%. At maturity, the Slice Small Finance Bank FD will be around 1,17,000 rupees, while the SBI FD will only be 1,13,000 rupees, a difference of nearly 4,000, meaning you can make an extra 30% return by simply choosing the higher interest rate. Let's also quickly cover the best FDs by different tenures. Best short-term FD is offered by Suryodaya Small Finance Bank, offering 7.5% for a 1-year tenure. Best medium-term FD is offered by Slice Small Finance Bank, offering 8.25% for a 2-year tenure. The best long-term FD is offered by Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, offering 8% for a 2 to 3 year period. The best FD for emergency fund is offered by Suryodaya Small Finance Bank, giving 7.5% interest for 1 year. 2 features that set it apart. First, it offers instant withdrawal, which means you have instant access to your money after making any withdrawal. Second, there is 0 penalty for early withdrawals. These features make this FD ideal for parking your money in the short term. These FD rates are always subject to change. So to find the best one for your needs, just download the Stable Money app. You can filter by interest rates, tenure, payout options, and special features to choose the FD that suits you the best. You can also easily book FDs in banks offering India's best interest rates via stable money without opening any bank account. And the best part, your amount is insured up to 5 lakh rupees per bank by DICGC, a subsidiary of the RBI. We'll come back soon with the next edition of this video where we cover the best FD rates across India so you can make the most of your FDs. Until then, please like, comment and subscribe.